smashing,
Yeah.
bashing, crashing. We're gonna open these, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know. In all truth, these things look interesting to me just because I like destroying stuff. Because let's face it, it's fun.
Smash it. I mean, it's been out for a while.
Yeah, these were just sitting in your basement for how long?
I think this is when they first came out in stores.
Yeah.
We should open them up.
Open them up, destroy them because.
Back,
let's
and you
face
could actually see that. But,
Let's face it, destroying stuff is fun.
and these are actually.
Out you go. You
Yep.
two, you losers.
They're the
Oh, they're kinda squishy. I like that. They're like a weird, like rubberish material. Okay, first off, as my assistant's opening these, or technically I'm the assistant because this isn't my channel.
Yep.
My channel doesn't really exist. Oh, it's a stadium. This is stupid. Okay, so we're looking for the super rares, which is bling, bling, gold, gold, champ, champ. There you go. If you want to look at it. There, this thing is terrible. You can't focus. Focus. It would probably be easier to see. There you go. That's all of them. That fell right behind me, right into my back. Take these headphones out of my pockets to see these hitting things. Okay, you got that? You got this one, Cell. We'll just dump this one out. And dumping him out. There you go. And these crap. Who gives a shit about these? Not me. Alright, and he's almost done, but let's look at the ones that just come in there anyway. There we go. Now we got all of them. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got red and blue basketball goalpost thingy.
More balls! Balls for the balls god!
Basketball. Orange. Very orange basketball. And for some reason a hot dog. Or wait.
Is it a hot dog?
Yeah, it's a hot dog. Aren't these supposed to be sports related or something?
Yeah, well, stadium.
Oh, stadium. I guess that kind of makes sense.
Stadium and hot dogs.
And we got two soccer balls, and they're just one's, normal color, and this one's not normal color. There we go. All right. Let's don't worry about those. Okay, let's start to opening these things. Ow! These. Oh shit!
So slamming it didn't work.
It was supposed to open. Why didn't you open? All right, we got what looks like a surfboard, a green surfboard. All right. Yeah. Yeah. This one is Oh, this one's actually a goalpost, a hockey goalpost or soccer. I don't know. Or as you Europeans would call it, football. We got
Speaking of football.
Yeah, speaking of football, you actually have a football, regular football.
What that meant?
It went up here. That's so satisfying. This one's it's a sock. What looks like a smelly sock. Oh, jeez, man.
Oh, we got a good one.
Holy crap.
Look.
Oh, yeah. We got an actual rare, a super rare one. Nice. Ain't that some shit? I love these things. I'm like 30 and these are so fascinating. This one's a skateboard. A blue skateboard. This thing is so unfocused.
Yeah.
Whatever. There we go. Blue skateboard.
It doesn't break on your hand. The hand is not
There we
solid.
go. Expensive headphones.
What did I mean?
Hold up. Hold on a second. Where did it go? I think it flew under the keyboard? It flew some... Oh, there it is. I found it. It is a, I'm not sure what that is. That's like some kind of, has an S on it? An S for sucks?
What?
No. You look it up while I'm doing this.
What is this?
I don't know. Oh, scoreboard. A red scoreboard. A little fat guy with
Not sure what that is.
hamburger.
And here, this one
Oh,
open.
this is the other one. This one's a tennis ball.
A creepy tennis ball.
tennis ball, I guess, with a. Yeah, that's weird. Okay, anyway,
There it is.
this one is a pair of shorts. Pair of shorts with a single hole for the pant leg.
There you go.
That one. Oh, it's a helmet. It's a very angry looking helmet with a brain sticking out, I guess. Ow.
Oh, there it is.
This one's another one of the sock ones. I don't know what kind of rarity this is. All I know is that we got one of the rare ones, which is cool. These things just fall apart if you hit it in the right spot. And this is a oh, it's a golf ball with holding a tee. Jeez.
And we got another black one. And
Oh, another gold one, a trophy. Another super rare. Ain't that something?
and
This one is... Oh, yeah, that's right. You already
Yeah.
opened one. This one's a hockey puck. For some reason, he's shitting out some white stuff. And a, don't know. Oh, fuck. And there's one more after this one that he's opening, and it is a red...
the same double.
Oh, it's a red helmet. We got it first double. Would you look at that? And this one,
No,
another scoreboard, but a blue
Oh,
one.
okay.
And that's it for these. That
And-
was a short video, probably. It was 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes. I'm okay with that. At least we got these. If I so feel like it, look up pricing on these things, because these are probably worth something, considering kids just love this shit.
Yep.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and ring that bell, because I'm going to do the generic shit as a call to action. Because why not? It works. Statistically, it works. Anyway, thanks.
Emotionally, it doesn't.
Yeah, emotionally, that hurt. That really hurt to say. That does not feel comfortable to say. I feel like I took like 5 years off my life just saying that, but whatever.